Hey everybody.
Hey everybody, good afternoon.
That boy gonna eat. We eating KFC.
Right.
$5 box, as y'all see. And y'all already know it come on the KFC $5 box. I hope y'all know. But it's 2 pieces of chicken and a mashed potato. Let me get my drink. What kind of drink this is? That's my fruit punch. What that one is, I wonder. That boy tearing them popcorn chicken up over there. No, you feed her, he'll be alright. Lord, bless this drink. Bless the drink, Lord. I don't know what you people doing these days. Got me my phone out of here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave your phone over there.
Move it just in case somebody spills something.
It ain't gonna spill because I know now I ain't that clean. I'm gonna taste this honey barbecue sauce with that chicken.
Oh, and y'all got to excuse me. I'm trying to get caught up on my homework.
Yeah, baby, you gonna spoon?
I got one.
Oh, well, keep it. Lord, Earl, come on now. Earl, we gonna eat. Chill out. You don't eat, baby.
He couldn't know. He hungry.
Yeah, don't eat. You want some real food. That boy don't want that food you keep giving. He don't want no baby food. He want real food. Y'all know how babies is. When they want food, they start smelling that grown folk food. They want that food. Oh, like 5, 6 months.
He's 6.
He's 6 months. Y'all know that baby wants some real food. When I was about 6 months, they ain't do all that back then. But I know my mom don't feed me too. Probably I was big. Ain't gonna lie. I love some potato, but I got to back off of that storage. As they say. I'm trying my best to. But I ain't gonna be skinny either. I'm skinny enough. Y'all know y'all got to forgive me because I'm a clown. She know I'm a clown right there. She in that homework, y'all. She doing her homework. If y'all want to know what she's doing. I should keep looking out. But true. Yeah, I'm gonna see how this honey barbecue sauce tastes with this chicken. I'll be trying some new stuff every day. You'll be surprised. Y'all love here. Go to business. It don't taste like no fruit punch, but I'm gonna drink it.
Fruit water.
It don't matter to me because I probably drinking water anyway. Yeah.
And keep that mouth closed over there, boy.
That boy, man, he ain't make no sign. He eating.
That one's over here.
I finna tell you could have gave him J potatoes to eat. So Jay ain't gonna eat them. You want me to get them potatoes out of there?
No, you eating that chicken.
Okay. Jay sure ain't eating them. He moved them potatoes out the way and went to that chicken. But I gotta break that because I see that he only want to eat meat. You sound like my cousin. He love eating meat. I need a napkin right here. I'll put my chicken on. I'm tired of reaching back and forth in that box.
Got you some milk. Don't be laughing. You ain't been eat up all my chicken.
And when you laughing, you might have spice.
One more. It's making you sing.
Okay, you singing that. You making you sing, boy? I ain't talking no baby singing like that. You gonna eat your biscuit? You say no? Yeah. I eat it later. I like bread. I'm trying to get off of it. And after I got another, I'll eat both of them. This one is one. But that potato I already enough. Hey, they look like they putting much meat on this bone. I mean, on this piece of meat. They ain't putting much on there. You in that?
Not yet.
Oh, well, you still in that? You doing your homework? Well, I ain't got the patience with homework. I ain't got the patience with no reading either. You better than me. Cause I'll quit. Quit.
I gotta keep my brain going.
You sure do.
It's good to keep your brain active.
Yeah.
I'm getting old too.
Girl, you ain't but 30. You call that old?
I be forgetting a lot of stuff.
I call that all the time. I'm just saying, people all the time forget stuff. My grandma used to do that.
Stupid, I call that all the time. That's what they call it too.
Y'all know I ain't got no filter, so. But nah, she ain't got all the time, but that is what you call it though. Let me get me some pictures.
They don't cook their chicken right there.
You taking that food.
Give me some, Jack.
You want some more chicken nugget?
Thank you.
You want some more chicken? He tearing that up, honey. Over there. You want some more chicken? Eat that chicken first. You ready to get out? Eat the chicken. You ready to get out? You ready to get out? Hold on, I'm coming. I want you to throw that stuff nowhere. You bad about throwing stuff when you're done. Yeah. You sleeping? You ate enough. That's how kids say that. You didn't eat enough. Get up.
All of this boy go to sleep for
You
honey.
didn't eat enough. I can get him there.
I got 12 more lessons to do.
Leave that. Oh, leave it alone now. I'm gonna put this on the wash because you love to mess with it. Here. Why you want to be bad? Didn't I tell you to leave that garbage alone? That's nasty. That boy, he's a buzzer. He like digging garbage. And that's nasty.
That's your cousin?
Let me tell you something.
Craig. Is that your cousin?
Word of advice to y'all, don't have no kids.
You tell people it's not that.
Especially boys. They is terrible. Especially when they spoil. Don't have no kids.
Don't mess with it.
He hard-headed. Y'all see he hard-headed. He spoiled him right and then hard-headed. It's a shame. You tell him yet. What? I'm saying.
He said I'm supposed to. I got to have this completed by May 20th.
That young.
2020.
That's this, next year.
Right around the corner.
What if you don't?
If I know, I'm going to change the date.
Oh.
And get another date.
What?
You can all on that.
Because I picked it because it's salty. You see I'm picking all over it. That's what I do. I ain't picking it over like that. I'm gonna eat it, but it's just too sour right now. Get on, what you want? Get your butt back in here. give you a chicken leg that little. No, you ain't gonna eat that.
Yes, I am.
That girl, she gonna eat that sweet cookie, but y'all, let me tell you, my wife won't eat that biscuit now. She won't eat bread now. That's good, cause I don't want to be a diabetic. But I love some bread. She ain't gotta worry about it. I'm gonna eat this biscuit later and put some syrup on it. Watch and see. I'm a downside breed. I eat biscuits with syrup on it. Any bread like that, I'm gonna eat it. We don't.
You gonna push it back?
Down south, I don't waste no food. Growing up in my household, you waste food, you got your ass beat. That's probably why I don't waste food now, because I was on punishment and all that. When you raised up in my family, we don't waste no food. Well, she ain't wasting no food. It's just she gonna eat that cookie and she eat that bread. My grandma always used to tell me, eat that bread with your chicken. Don't waste no bread, but see, we different. I'm from down south, cause down south love some bread. Don't get me wrong, y'all. Everybody around the world love bread, but where I'm from, we eat some bread and we'll tear it up. That's what chicken. We put some syrup on it. What? Oh, you want another soda?
On that one, nigga.
Well, we love some soda over here, boy. Babe, you want this soda? Cause I ain't gonna drink it. You want it? Lay down. I don't know. I don't know what kind of soda it is. Let me see. Fruit punch. You want it?
Fruit water.
Well, you want it to lay down. If you don't, I'll put it enough and I'll water it down for myself. You want it? To lay down? So I'm thinking about I ain't gonna get school out of it. Okay. Oh, y'all didn't hear that. Y'all didn't hear that. Y'all know I love to eat. Y'all, I know they heard that. Like, what she said? Oh, they know what I said. They red lips. Okay. We love to eat.
Around here.
Yeah, we love to eat. Y'all might see me being poor, but y'all, you know this crazy car weigh 120 pounds, but I love to eat. Tell you. Y'all better ask how much I be eating, but I don't never gain no weight. You know, I just don't know what's going on. And I don't question God, because God working mysterious ways.
I sure gained the weight, Lord Jesus.
Yeah, not that much though. See, I like big women though. You my heart though.
Nigga, I ain't big.
I ain't talking about big like that, baby. I'm talking about like big. I don't care how big she big, y'all. She can get 400 pounds. I'm still gonna be with her. I ain't going nowhere there, baby.
I ain't getting 400 pounds.
Y'all get what I'm saying. I don't go by nobody about their weight. You know, man, I love you. I love you. Even if you didn't, even if you were anorexic, I'd still be with you.
Toting this weight around what I got. I know I'm not gonna get no
still eating. You want some tater?
No, you over there putting playing peekaboo like that.
Hey, get out of garbage now. Oh, it's time you go to sleep. Y'all excuse me for 1 second. He finna be down. He finna go to nap. Come on. Nap time. You messing with 2 minutes still. Come on. Tell everybody bye-bye. Tell them bye. Say bye-bye. Tell them bye. Wave your hand. Say bye-bye. I'm finna go to sleep. Bye-bye. Come on.
See, I had to come over here because my nephew wouldn't let me do no work. So I need somebody to hold the baby or watch him or something. Because if it's just me, ain't nothing getting did unless he sleep. And he keep taking cat naps with me. But we gonna have to get something else to eat because this ain't gonna be enough for me. They should have got some Chinese food. At least we would have got a little bit more. Papa? Hey, the baby. What you doing, Papa? What you doing, the baby? What you doing? Jesus. Maybe you go to sleep, you get another good bath, honey. I watched you, you still up looking at me like I'm crazy. She got it here. She want to hear it. Ew. Nasty.
Good night. He tired anyway. He just falling asleep. He real tired. I'm back. Whew. Your spoiled child, honey. You did that. That taste like Kool-Aid. Let me find out. KLC making Kool-Aid up there. Might be Kool-Aid. That's what it tastes like. You don't sound no fruit punch. But you know what?
It's afraid to get on my nerves.
Who get on your nerves?
It's afraid of my E don't
Let me
push
tell you
when I push it.
When we about to get on out of here, you know, we might do one more mukbang tonight, later on tonight, but we about to put the baby to sleep. We got one down,
She about to put it.
another one to go, or whatever. And you know what? We're gonna catch y'all later. Comment, like, subscribe down below. Tell me what you think about the mukbang. And we enjoyed y'all watching the show, the video. Till next time, peace. Gonna say peace out. Bye.
See you later.